In addition, $350 billion in loans could soon be available to help small businesses thanks to a federal emergency aid package. KSBY's Megan Healy spoke to local business owners to see how it could help.
Well, businesses and nonprofits that have less than 500 employees and people who are self-employed can apply for these loans. Business owners, though, will have to prove that they were in business prior to February 15th and that they paid employees and taxes. At Ocean Grill, executive chef BRYAN is used to cooking for a full dining room accompanied by his staff. These days, he cooks for one.
It's sad not to get to see the regulars and get to see our guests, but the biggest thing is it's sad not to get to see my staff, who, for me, that's like my second family.
With a new emergency aid package, businesses with less than 500 employees could be eligible for up to $10 million in forgivable small business loans to help pay employees and rent. Chef Mathers had to lay off nearly 25 people and close restaurant doors, so it's unclear what benefits his business can get, but he's hoping to bring back and support employees.
To get loans to help bolster the insurance that we already have, to try to help make sure that when we do start back up, make sure we're giving the best service right from the get-go.
During a normal shift, there's usually a hostess, a bartender, a chef and a cook line, and servers. But these employees are at home filing for unemployment. And they aren't the only ones. The number of unemployment insurance claims in California more than tripled this week compared to last, reaching nearly 187,000. As a massage therapist, CHANDRA CORLEY is her own boss. She says she's grateful small business owners like herself can get help paying rent and loans.
I'm grateful for it, and I'm encouraged, and I'm going to remain hopeful.
There's also $17 billion to help small businesses repay existing loans, and $10 billion for grants up to $10,000 for small businesses to pay operating costs. Borrowers can apply for these 7A loans through their banks, their credit unions, and other lenders. And government officials said earlier this week they hope to have that money available by the end of this month. Reporting in Paso Robles, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
The Senate passed the package Wednesday. It's now on its way to the House for a vote on Friday. If passed, President Trump is expected to sign it into law.